I just want to do a little chat today because have you ever feels like you questioning yourself, like you're good enough, or you a good pilot or not? I'm not gonna lie that I never felt that I'm a good pilot. It feels like you achieve something and you want to share it on Facebook or TikTok or whatever platform that you want to share, but a lot of toxic comment, and they say that you are trash, you are not good enough. I started hobbies in March 2025, which is till now is less than a year, right? And a lot of people, they saying that, oh, I can't even do a trippy spin under the tree. And I'm gonna show you the map that I've been flying for a couple of weeks. So let me walk you through the tree that I've been trying to do a trippy spin under. And people saying that I'm not good enough to do a trippy spin. And you can see right now, this is the tree. I can wrap it. This is the branches, and the trunk is, you can see that thing, right? And like it kind of low. So I decided to go to that tree over there. It's a little bit higher, and also it have like less branches. Go under here. It like super low. I need to crouch. So see. So that's what I've been dealing with. The tree are low, branches everywhere, and you make a mistake, you done for, because this is a hill, it's going down or up. When you make a mistake, maybe the drone gonna drop to the bottom of the hill. And this one is the one that I tried to do a Barani. It up there, and then you go down here, you can see the branches like not that tall. I can touch it. I just want to show you what I've been dealing with, so you can, maybe one day you come to Dalat where I'm living, and you can go around flight with me, and you know that, oh, this guy showed me the map and I know everything, and I can go fly without any fears or stuff like that. I don't know. I'm not good. I'm still trying to figure out how to be a better pilot. And this channel created to share experience between me, which is a new pilot, to other new pilots, maybe newer than me. So in this hobby, I was just like a newborn baby. This community sometimes is super toxic. I mean, people saying things that try to upset you, try to make you feel bad.
Flip!
Some of the pilots, they are really good. They want to help you for real, and they give you compliment, or when you make a mistake, they try to help you to fix that mistake. Not trying to, to piss you off. Cham FPV is one of my favorite pilots to talk to, because he always say good stuff like, oh, you're getting better, now you do trick more cleaner, stuff like that. I was in trouble to practice some some tricks, and then he showed me the way to do that thing right. He want to help me for real, and too bad that we kind of far away. He living in Singapore and I'm in Vietnam. Sometime he comes to Vietnam, but we haven't met yet. But he always try to help me in a way. he's a real master to me. I'm always like saying like, oh, Master Whaley, you are one of the best pilots that I know. Just keep going out and fly. Back in the day, I started on March, and then on, I don't remember, but maybe July, there's a competition called Deep Space Competition. You gotta do a 45-second tricks videos with no cut, uncut. And then if you win the prize, you got a sponsorship from Deep Space. I try as hard as I can. I'm not gonna lie, I go to fly every single day. I practice a lot, and then in that time, I broke an ESC and the motor. And you gotta accept that crashing is a part of a learning progress. In FPV, I mean in every single things in your life, you fail and you try, and you fail and you try. Don't be afraid to fail, don't be afraid to crash. If you want to do it, you can do it, trust me, man. You can do everything that you want to. You keep go flying, man. Keep go sending it. You pick a style, you like that style, you keep flying, keep flying. And also, when I see a good FPV video, freestyle or cinematic, or any good FPV videos, I'm always trying to leave a comment and then helping them and say good things so they can feel good and they continue doing that. That is what should be happening around this community, right? So I feel like I just want to talk a bit before we start flying. I don't know. I hope you enjoy the videos. I'm gonna go flying then. So it's the end of the videos, and I gotta go home because I'm out of battery. And my message to you guys is just keep flying, man. Ignore the toxic comments and bad people. There's a lot of good pilots out there. You can find one, or maybe you can talk to them online or offline if you can, helping each other to get better. That and having fun, that is the main point of the hobby, right? You're having fun with your good friends and getting better. I don't know, that's it, and I hope you enjoy the videos. And if you can, just give me a like, a subscribe, a comment if you want. But have a good day.